Acumatica's cash management gives your business real-time visibility into cash positions across all your accounts, currencies, and entities. You can easily track balances, monitor cash flow trends, and review transaction histories using interactive dashboards, drill-down reports, and custom inquiries. This helps you improve efficiency and accelerate your company's growth. You can customize the cash management system to fit your needs. Set your preferences for transaction numbers, reconciliation rules, data entry, and how you post information. You can also adjust settings for matching disbursement and receipt transactions, automating reconciliation, and other features. Standardize posting rules with entry types, ensuring consistent bank transaction classification while minimizing errors and simplifying reconciliation and reporting. Easily manage how your company sends and receives money. Simplify processing for payments like cash, checks, credit cards, ACH, and EFT. You gain full control over how money moves through your business. Set up cash accounts to reflect how your business manages money, protects reserves, and improves cash flow. These accounts can handle bill payments, receive income, manage deposits, track credit card spending, and temporarily hold unknown transactions. Assigning specific payment methods to each account helps ensure accuracy, streamline operations, and simplify reporting. Acumatica streamlines your cash flow and simplifies digital payment handling with a secure, unified system. It allows you to process credit cards, debit cards, ACH, and EFT payments directly from your customers. This results in faster, more reliable transactions that help grow your revenue and provide a clear view of your finances. Acumatica's bank reconciliation feature helps you maintain accurate, audit-ready cash balances and provides a 24/7 real-time view of your cash position. It uses predefined settings to match transactions, helping you identify discrepancies, prevent errors, and add missing entries. For accounts with low activity, you also have the option to reconcile them manually. You can import bank statements or upload files directly to the bank reconciliation form. We support Microsoft Excel, OFX, QBO, and QFX file types. Reduce manual effort and improve banking accuracy by connecting your bank accounts and corporate credit card accounts to the system for processing. Use the Process Bank Transactions form for several purposes. Perform bank reconciliation by reconciling uploaded bank transactions against existing system transactions, or create a new payment or invoice transaction in the system from uploaded bank details, or create an expense receipt from uploaded corporate credit card transaction details. Find discrepancies quickly with a real-time view of your reconciliation items. The Intelligent Auto Match feature compares imported transactions to your existing records. You can adjust tolerance settings to reduce manual work, minimize errors, and streamline your bookkeeping. Stay agile and effortlessly fund your domestic and international operations with speed and security with Acumatica's Funds Transfers function. Simply choose the transfer date, add a description, and specify the source and destination accounts. Easily correct errors on posted transactions with the Reclassify Transaction feature, and maintain a clean audit trail to protect your financial statement integrity. Use the Replace option to swap accounts on a transaction line, or split transactions to allocate amounts across multiple accounts. Control your cash operations with real-time visibility into all your accounts, currencies, and entities. Leverage interactive dashboards, actionable reports, and custom inquiries to track balances, monitor cash flow, and plan how to use your cash best to grow the business. Empower your organization with complementary applications such as Acumatica Cash Basis Reporting from Sprintera, BI-based reporting and data warehousing from DataShelf Analytics, budgeting and report automation by Velixo, and more. Acumatica's cash management application connects your general ledger, accounts payable, and accounts receivable for real-time visibility into your cash position. It utilizes automated banking, intelligent matching, and AI-powered reconciliation to enhance efficiency, minimize errors, and optimize your cash flow. Contact us today for a personalized demonstration.